Alright, hello YouTube. Doing this backwards. I did bring my tripod, but I forgot the external mic for the phone. So anyway, I'm at Potts Jeep Trail. I'll walk over here, see if you can see it better. So it's Potts Jeep Trail. We used to call it Potts Mountain Jeep Trail because it's Potts Mountain. And I just actually saw a Jeep and a Toyota just came by. I guess was leaving the trail. But we're gonna go and get some off-roading in. It's been much needed with my knee healing up and everything. So it should be a good day. Getting kind of late start. It was kind of chilly coming. I'm testing out my new riding gear, which I'll do a better review on that later. So I don't know. Let's see what goes this way. I really don't like it when it's all ruddy like this. Doesn't give you a lot of leeway to get out of the ruts. Alright. Yeah, I'm super bummed now that I wasn't recording for this whole trail. Chugga chugga through the muddy. Dong, ding. Alright. I'm gonna walk it through here just because I don't know how deep, and with as much snow and rain as we've had, it wasn't too bad. But see, like when you see those big holes in the middle, they could be under, those longer holes could still have like a really deep hole in the middle of it. So I don't want to hit those fast if I don't know what's under it. Yeah, up around here with all these rocks, it's like that'd be a cool place to camp. Oh, We're stalling. I don't even know if I'm still recording. I see the red light. So you missed all the rocks coming up here. That's why I was thinking maybe I'll go back that way. I'm not sure. That's one thing I don't like about riding by myself. I don't think the fun stuff as hard as I want to. I forgot to check the air pressure. I'm just sliding these ruts right now. Can't really get out of them. Across this side. So there's still snow on the ground a little chilly up here. Top of the mountain. We'll stop for a second and get a little view. If we can. Still recording. That looks pretty cool. So we're on top of the ridge of this mountain. I think we're on Potts Mountain. And we're still on Potts Mountain Trail. Then there's Hanging Rock Circle coming up. Alright. Let's keep on keeping on. Cool. Gonna hit it. Hope it's not too deep. It was not. See the snow on the ground? Ding. We must have passed the Hanging Rock Circle, whatever the heck that was. Alright, so now this looks a little icy. I have no idea how deep it is. So I might try to play it safe and go around, just because it looks like some trucks have gone around, and I can't get my rear tire up. I'm gonna go over. Let's see if there's a way around this way. Not really. Plow through those sticks. There we go. That's a cool looking rock. I'm sure none of those sticks are stuck to me. I'm flinging mud. I don't know if you can see. Flinging out my tires. Trying to slow down and look, see if we went that way. I really hate these ruts. It's like once you're stuck in them though, you're just stuck. There we go. And I'm back in the rock. And I'm out. Hey, I'll take rocks over mud any day. Hit that because I couldn't get out of the rut. Really hope it's recording this time. Lots of ruts. I'm just gonna ride through here. Not too bad, except for some of these big rocks. Get some mud flinging. It's so weird, like all the trees on that side falling over. And you still hit the little mud spots. Oh, that's how it's crooked. I can't wait till I learn these trails good enough to actually go faster on them. This feels nice. After all that mud. This is all. What is that? Cell tower or something? Looks like it. I might take a little break up here and check. Yeah, should be good. I don't want to be out too late because I don't know how long it's going to take to get home. Yeah, I should have done this yesterday. So I had more time. Today is Sunday, so it means work tomorrow. Snow. So we've had snow, mud, and ice, and rocks, and oh my goodness, this isn't too fun, man. Like without knowing how deep stuff is, and being by myself. Let's see if I can be able to get up here. Without sliding back down. Good times. Good times are had by all. As long as you don't fall. I'm glad I didn't hit Broad Run. I bet you those creek crossings would be so high right now. It'd probably cover the seat of the Himalayan. Because I've hit those before with the KLX, and it's got a taller seat than this, and I had the water go over the seat. Alright. What do you think? Just go right through it. Or go around. Maybe we can just see how deep it is over this way. Not bad. Not too bad. House out in the middle of nowhere. That's the way to do it. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this muddy and snowy. So there's mud and snow. Yeah. And ice. Well, I was bummed that my camera wasn't working on the trail coming up here because it was all rocky. But it was mostly dry. It definitely didn't have snow and ice. So I don't really mind not having that footage now. Alright. Gonna go around this way. Try to cut up through the center. So I don't know if the camera's picking up the little ruts. I mean, it's not bad now. But a lot of it was really ruddy. Alright, that wasn't bad. So I think I psyched myself out more than anything. I guess just, you know, being out and alone, which I love. I love being just alone in the woods. Whether it's here or whether it's on our own property. But then when you factor in the bike and, you know, breaking a leg or something, get a little more over cautious when you're by yourself. haven't really found a killer looking camp spot. What that was. So I might have to stop in a minute and see if there's any sticks caught in on anything. Look at all these ruts and little loop-de-doos. I'm still recording. No idea. Alright, well here's one end of it. There's 4. The GPS wants to take me home back the way I just came. So now I gotta figure out. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over here and figure out which way a Route 11 goes which way. And I'll be back.